If you want to see posts from more friends on your Facebook newsfeed, this quick setting change can make a big difference. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch your feed so you can see more of the people you actually want to follow instead of missing their posts in the usual algorithm mix. This is a simple Facebook tip, but it can really improve your experience if you're trying to stay connected with friends, family, or creators you care about. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu button. Depending on your device, this may appear as the three-line icon or a menu option in the app. Tap or click Menu to open the full list of Facebook options. Now that the menu is open, look for Feed and click it. This takes you into the section where Facebook shows you different feed preferences and ways to control what you see first. If you've ever felt like your newsfeed is hiding posts from friends, this is the area you want to check. Inside Feed, you'll see an option called Favorites. Click Favorites to prioritize posts from the people and pages you care about most. This setting helps Facebook show content from selected accounts more often, which is perfect if you want more friend posts and fewer random updates. Once you open Favorites, you can manage who gets priority in your feed. Add the friends whose posts you never want to miss. Facebook will then try to show their content more prominently, so their posts are easier to find when you scroll through your newsfeed. This is a great way to take more control over what appears at the top of your feed. If you want the best results, take a moment to review your favorites list and make sure the people you interact with most are included. The more intentional you are here, the better your newsfeed will match what you actually want to see. Instead of relying only on Facebook's default sorting, you're telling Facebook exactly whose updates matter most to you. And that's it. By going to Menu, opening Feed, and clicking Favorites, you can see posts from more friends on Facebook newsfeed and make your feed feel a lot more personal. If this video helped you, please remember to like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.